Okay, let's see how quickly I can show how to do this. Step one, make sure you've replaced the blade with the one that you're going to use to make your box joints with. Okay, that's done. We've got a piece of scrap wood right here, check. And I recommend getting a piece long enough because what we're going to be doing is holding our hand here the whole time. So for safety reasons, get a fairly long piece. And what you're going to do is just overlap the kerf just enough so that when we cut this piece, it'll fall away rather than go down the slot. That's why I like to do it. Of course, we pull this flat against here. You can look down the top here, make sure we're over. And, okay. And we hold that, and the key is don't move this piece of wood. So you want a good, tight hold. So let me see if I can do this with one hand. Okay, and once again, don't let this piece move. However, I'm going to have to take my hand off since I'm using one hand to hold this piece of wood. So then, here's our piece that we're going to be cutting with, our first piece for our box joint. And you're going to want to slide it over. So slip her down here. So we're going to slide it over, and I recommend pushing from the bottom till it just meets that piece of wood. And then we tighten it down. And that's it. You've zeroed the blade. Pull that piece away. There you go. All set. You start making your cuts.